gonna show you how to change the fan motor. That doohickey thing right down there on a 2006 Lincoln Town Car Signature Series. It ain't too complicated. It's a little pain in the ass, but it ain't too bad. First of all, you're gonna want to remove this. And that meaning washer fluid container. Next thing you're gonna do, like I said, it's just a pain in the ass. You're gonna get that whole damn housing off. There's a screw there, or nut, whatever the hell you want to call it. I'll have to zoom in on it so you can see it. You got one there. I'm pretty sure you got one up in there. Yep. One. It's up in there. Trust me, it's there. You follow this line right here. You follow it up. It's in there. It's there. Right there. You see it? It's right there. There's two for sure. I don't remember where the rest are. Take a 15-16 and undo the nut. You pull a connector off there, and there's a connector there. Then you just move the bottle out the way. Now you can see all the other garbage, like the other screw down there, the other screw there. Might be able just to pull that out, but we'll see. I stand corrected. There's one there, and that little one there. They're 5/16. That's all it should be holding it in. The other thing is for the other part of the housing. After you got those 3 bolts out, next thing you're going to want to do is get up under the fender well right here. And there's a screw that goes right there. You have to unscrew it. It's a 15th, or not 15th, but how is it? It's a 5/16 or an 8mm, either one. This is what it's going to look like. And then you take, and after you do that, just take and push the plastic garbage fender down, and you should be able to access the fan motor, the blower motor, just like that. Just push it down, and you can pull the motor right out. See? Nothing to it. But you want to disconnect this the first chance you get. If not, you're going to end up tearing it up. You're going to want to use a flathead screwdriver to do it. As you're pulling, I'll give you a little reference point. This here is where that connector was. You're going to want to spin counterclockwise to position it like this, because if not, this is going to get stuck on the fender down there and you're not going to be able to pull it out. So you do it counterclockwise and you push down and watch that above. Lift that up like that. And then you just jiggle, and it comes out. Like so. It's kind of hard one-handed. But it comes out well. Now that I have it out, I'll show you. I went and bought another one because there's a way to take this off and pop it off, but nah, it's too much work. and it costs more. The one without the fan costs more than the one with the fan. Go figure that dumbass logic. But anyway. New one from the parts place, rebuild, garbage, whatever you want to say. I don't care. This one's a little different. Got the same hookups, just not as bulky and stupid. And it's got a connector here, to where that way it's not so hard to mess around with. If you want to, and you're not for sure the motor's bad or not, since you already done got it out, because sometimes it's the solenoid. Just take you 2 wires, there and there. Let's see. The one there, it's got the white stripe, because you got a solid color here. And you got a orange and pink. Pink should be ground, orange should be the positive. So looking at that, you look at this. This one would be positive, that one would be negative. So you hook 2 wires up to it, tap it to the battery, and if it spins, then it was something else. If it don't spin, then you know what it was. I got it out, so I'm changing it. If it's something else, that's fine. It's time for it anyway. It's got 156,000 miles on it, so, and it was like 30 or 40 bucks. Not a big deal. So I mean, that's all there is to it. It's going to take you 30 minutes to do it. It's not complicated. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, just a side note. I know I got carried away too quick. This here, there's a spot on this fan, just like the other one. You gotta clock it around until they meet. Because it's got a gasket on it right there that seals. And once you get it clocked the way it needs to be, right there, come on, clocked like that, then you can screw everything back and you'll have a nice tight seal. If you don't, you'll know you did it wrong.